Where does the name for Tre Pys Llygod come from? So today I'm in Conwy County, just outside Llangernyw, and this hill behind me is called Tre Pys Llygod. Let's get into the name. In this video I'm going to take you on an interesting little linguistic mystery that I came across. I come across them sometimes, but don't usually talk about the process. This hill is called Tre Pys Llygod, which on a surface glance to me, as a Welsh learner, was Tre, meaning a town, Pys, meaning peas, and Llygod, meaning mice, so Mice Peas Town. But this didn't seem right, so I did some more research. Eventually I came to learn that Tre, or Tref really, meant a farmstead originally, and came to mean a town over time. It's likely that here it's named after a farmstead rather than a town. And how about Pys Llygod? Mouse peas? Well, after more research, it turns out that Pys Llygod, mouse peas, is a kind of vetch or lentil. The name probably comes from the tiny size of the peas. So the hill was probably named for a farm in the area that grew vetch or lentils. These were probably for feeding animals because they're full of protein, but they're toxic to humans if eaten in a large enough amount, so not eaten by us. This name threw me off for a long time because, as a Welsh learner, I was reading it literally and I couldn't work out why a mouse would own peas. So the name literally means vetch farm. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.